Welcome. In this short video, we'll see how we can create a multiple answer quiz question. We first place our cursor where we would like the question to appear. We then choose Insert from the menu bar, roll over Quiz Popper, and then choose Multiple Answer. The multiple answer dialog window then appears, where we would then type in a question. The question that we enter can consist of only text. However, you may also right mouse click and add images, hyperlinks, and media if you would like. I'm going to click in the questions dialog window and then type in the question that I want my students to respond to. In the question tab, we also can set a point value for that question. We can decide whether or not we're going to allow students to retry. Because this is a multiple answer question, I also have the ability to choose whether I want my students to get partial credit for getting some of the answers correct. We then move on to our Answers tab. The Answers tab initially consists of two choices. However, we can add as many additional choices as we would like. We then type in a response, choose whether it's correct or not, and then we also have the ability to type in a feedback based on the students choosing that particular answer. Where once again, inside of the feedback, I have the ability to select text and make it bold. Or if I would like, I could right mouse click and add images or hyperlinks. Let's add another possible answer. It's also correct. And once again, let's add feedback for when the students choose that answer. Once more, I'm going to make that text boldface. I'm going to add additional answers and then give feedback based on this particular answer. We also have the ability to select text within the answer and then right mouse click on it and make it into a hyperlink, where we can type in the URL that we're going to be sending our students to, and then we type in a destination link. We then click OK, and we've now created a multiple answer quiz question. We can also give feedback for getting the answer completely correct. We can give feedback for getting the answer partially correct. We can also give feedback for a completely wrong answer. Notice we also can give a hint. Each one of these dialog windows may contain text, or by right mouse clicking, we can add images, hyperlinks, and even media. We also, in the Feedback tab, have the ability to show what the correct answer is with the feedback. Finally, we choose how we want the question to be displayed. Questions can be displayed as an image, and the question would then pop up when the students click on the image. They can also be displayed by clicking on text that would then pop up the quiz question. And finally, they can be embedded directly in the lesson page. In this example, I'm going to make it pop up from an image. I then enter a title for the pop-up dialog window and choose how I want it to interact with text. Inline, we'll place it as an inline graphic, which means text will not wrap around the object. Floating left and floating right will allow text to wrap around that particular graphic object. We then click OK, and we've created the multiple answer quiz question. Thank you.